Okay, this is the current project, the gs500 99. I went through many different colours for the tank. I've been blue, red, black, well not many, just quite a few. Blacked out the engine, I'm going to gold up the frame properly, painted back swing arm, front forks, changed bar, welded, or should I say re-welded the seat so it's nice and rounded on back so it fits. Ready to go on is nice big LED headlight, well 6.5 incher, and this universal, I think it's called an ISTOS clock. Now if like me you got one of these and didn't get any wiring with it whatsoever, you can go over to the channel called Moto Mango. He's been nice enough to put up on his channel the directions to actually calibrate the clocks to pretty much any bike, and he's been nice enough to write down all the wires and what they're for, or at least a great majority of them, which has been very helpful, so thank you for that. And I've tested that the wires are correct, and they are, so I can vouch for that at least. But yeah, gs500 99, well on its way to be built. Just waiting for some big dirt tyres to come. Okay, I'll be working on a couple of projects during the coronavirus period. I don't know if they're going to be bright enough for the crystals, hopefully. Just got him on a toggle switch for now. Hopefully you can see jaw moving as well. So everything very slow. Obviously we've got the gauntlet, infinity gauntlet, just on a switch, full metal, all of it, copper and steel. Might change that switch, it's a bit old school I think.